Weather patterns have changed significantly over the past 200 years. Reading list will be available before the course begins. It was 4 more years before the theory was fully developed. The history of this university is a long and interesting one. An undergraduate is required to do many projects. The university should introduce technology to support learning. The teacher training is an observation of the classes. Strangely, people are impacted by spontaneously using statistics. Students should take advantage of the online resources before attending the lecture. The placement test for mathematics and statistics is offered in this semester. In this book, the author discussed the role of cultural differences. Art students often exhibit their works in the university buildings. There are opportunities to receive the grants from most artistic fields. Parents are financially responsible for the children until they reach adulthood. The invention of the printing press increased the demand for paper. A lack of sleep can increase the chance of some illnesses. It would be extremely beneficial to work together. A rise in population means more trees are cut down. Several candidates were graded as the greatest scientists of all time. Manufacturing brings more people in than agriculture and fishing combined. Industrial experts will discuss job opportunities in an automatic labor force. We were achieving common prosperity throughout the department. Distance learning can develop your career around the world. Student advisor was aware of the fact that the lecture today has been cancelled. Today's history lecture has been moved to lecture theater. Global connections increased in academic communities, thanks to the social media. Consumer confidence tends to increase as the economy expands. Unusual weather patterns are making farming more difficult today. Growing population has posed a challenge to many governments. Take the first step to apply for your university scholarship. Science library is currently located on the ground floor of the library. Hundreds of scientific papers have been published on global warming. Ladies have the popular forms of entertainments throughout the world. The new art gallery can only be visited on Fridays. A balanced diet and regular exercise are necessary for good health.
You don't have to be on Professor Smith's course to attend this lecture.
The biggest asset in the world is your mindset. It is never too late to be what you might have been. Things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. Happiness consists not in having much, but in being content with little. Don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going.
I've got a tutorial in an hour and I haven't had any time to prepare for it. I think the university's main campus is closed. Distance learning has become far more popular these days. Conferences are always scheduled on the third Wednesday of the month. Farmers do not always receive the price for agricultural goods. I will check again, but I am pretty sure we are supposed to read chapter 2.
Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Small minds discuss people. Life is a journey, and if you fall in love with the journey, you will be in love forever.
Life is a great big canvas, and you should throw all the paint on it you can.